Students, I'm here with another video from the new chapter of class 10th Science NCERT book, that is from the chapter Magnetic Effect of Electric Current. Okay children, so till yesterday we have completed about the chapter electricity, in which we have, the last topic was about the types of the effects which we have to study for the electricity. So the last effect was about the heating effect of electric current in the last class. So we have seen that some of the effects, some of the gadgets, some of the devices are based upon, simply they are based upon the concept of they are based upon the they will be using the heating effect for their working principle. So here we will be studying about the next effect of the current, that is the magnetic effect of electric current. So children, in this class, magnetic effect, how the magnets, how the effect of the current is seen, and that too, is there any effect of magnetism in the flowing current or not. So for that we will be studying the magnetic effect. Now in this chapter we have to study about the magnetic field lines, magnetic field. We will be seeing some experiments related to this, and then we'll be plotting the graph also, even the magnetic field which is present in the earth as well as which is being present in the different types of magnets. Next we have to study about the electromagnetism. We have to study about electromagnetism, and also we'll be studying about the magnetic field produced by the current carrying conductor. That could be the straight current carrying conductor and also the circular current carrying conductor. Then after that we'll be studying about the circular loop. Then some rules I would be telling you, and then we will be studying about the other topics like magnetism in human beings, and also what are the various applications of this magnetic effect. Okay, then the rules are also there. Fleming's left hand rule, where we have to study about electric motor. We don't have to study about electric generator, but for electric motor we will be studying one rule, and also a very basic concept of electromagnetic induction, but it is not in a very greater extent. Okay, so with this your topic would be, these are the topics which are to be included. This time it will be included in your examination as per your latest pattern of your CBSE board. Okay, so some of the topics are being means cut down, they are removed from your syllabus, so there is no need of studying those topics. Okay, now we'll be starting the chapter that magnet. What is a magnet? First of all, as we have to study about the magnetic effect, we should know that what do you mean by a magnet. How can you say that a particular thing is a magnet, and what is so different about this magnet? Okay, so what is so different for this magnet is, magnets are the objects, these are the objects which attracts the iron objects, Okay, so it is a piece of iron which is going to attract another iron object. So this is, it could attract, it is a piece of, it could be the piece of yes, a magnet is an object which attract the pieces of iron, steel, nickel and cobalt. Okay, steel and nickel. Then also it is going to attract the piece of cobalt. So these are the things, these are the substances which could be attracted by a particular substance, and that substance is known to be as a magnet. Now children, magnets could be of different shapes. It could be like, it could be in a rectangular piece, that is a bar magnet. Okay, ऐसे rectangular piece अगर रहेगा तो bar magnet है. There could be some other pieces also, जिसको हम कह सकते हैं, एक U shaped magnet होता है इस तरह से, जिसको हम कहते हैं horseshoe magnet. Horseshoe, it is a horseshoe magnet. It looks like horseshoe. Okay, so that is why it is known as horseshoe magnet. Then it could be the circular magnets are there. आपने देखा है circular magnets कभी-कभी pencil boxes में लगा रहता है, पर्स में लगा रहता है. You can see that. So किसी भी shape का magnet हो सकता है, but commonly these bar magnets are most of the practicals, or in the case of chemistry, in the physics, we will be seeing that it is a use of the bar magnet only. Okay, there are the use of the horseshoe magnet could also be there, and it could be of different shapes and sizes. Okay, bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, then it could be the circular magnets are there, and also it could be made in various shapes even. Then a bar magnet is a long rectangular bar of uniform cross-sectional area which attracts a piece of iron, steel, nickel and cobalt. Okay, then next is performing the practicals in the science laboratory. A magnet has two poles. Yes, you should know that what are the properties of magnet. Even in lower classes also you have studied about the different properties of magnets and magnetism. So what are those properties? Let us recall. If we talk about a type of magnet, children, so this magnet could be, it is a rectangular piece which is having two poles. Okay, it has two poles. It has two poles, and it is north pole and the south pole. It has north pole and a south pole. There are two poles. One is north, other one is the south pole. तो दो poles हो गए. उसके बाद क्या होगा कि after that we have to see about and the end. If the end is freely suspended, it always point towards north and south direction. Okay, so it has two poles. The next property is it will be suspended. It is suspended in the air so that it rests in north and south direction. Okay, when it remains suspended, जब आप इसको ऐसे धागा से बांध के अगर हम इसको हवा में सस्पेंड करेंगे इस बार मैग्नेट को, it will always remains at rest in this north and south direction. Okay, it always points in north and south direction. Okay, so it will remain suspended in the air, showing pointing north and south direction. Okay, it is going to point towards the north and south direction. So each small piece of magnet also has poles, and these two poles are the north and south. Now why they are north and south poles only, why not east and west? Okay, so we'll be studying this in the next part of the chapter. The next is this means that the north pole of the magnet, they repels. Yes, और क्या है, like poles and unlike poles. जैसे अभी आपने पढ़ा था like charges, so like poles and unlike poles. Unlike poles. तो like poles का मतलब क्या है और unlike poles का मतलब क्या है? Like poles they are always like north and north pole. दो मैग्नेट अगर हम लेते हैं तो दूसरे मैग्नेट का भी नॉर्थ पोल अगर इधर रखा है फेसिंग टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्थ ऑफ द नेक्स्ट मैग्नेट, दिस इज सेड टू बी एज लाइक पोल्स, एंड अनलाइक पोल्स कुड बी नॉर्थ एंड साउथ लाइक दिस. एक मैग्नेट साउथ नॉर्थ रखा है और दूसरा मैग्नेट ऐसे रखा हो, सो दिस इज नोन एज द unlike poles. These are unlike poles, children, and this one is the like pole. Like pole में it could be two others, that could be south north, here could be south north. So both of them could be same poles facing towards each other. If it is kept, it is said to be as the like poles. अब like poles की प्रॉपर्टी क्या होती है? जैसे आपने इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेस में पढ़ा था, like charges will always repel. Yes, negative is going to repel the negative charge, positive is going to repel the positive charge. Similarly, here also two poles are present, north and the south. So if two poles are there, that is, if both the poles are same in its nature, then they are going to repel each other. They are going to repel each other. Whereas when we see that there are unlike poles, there are different poles, they will always attract each other. They will always attract each other. They are going to repel each other. They are going to attract each other. Okay? तो ये चीजें हमें ध्यान में रखनी होगी. आगे बाकी देखते हैं क्या करना है. Then this means that north poles of a magnet repels the north pole and the other magnet of the south pole of the magnet repels the south pole. Then, but the north pole of the magnet attracts the south pole of the other magnet. These days, the magnets are used for the variety of purposes. Now, magnets are used in the radio, television, stereo speakers, refrigerators and refrigerator doors, audio and video cassettes, टेप्स, हार्ड डिस्क, फ्लॉपीज ऑफ द कंप्यूटर्स. इवन आप लोग तो फ्लॉपी जानते भी नहीं होंगे अभी. अगर आपको पता हो फ्लॉपी का, आप पिक्चर देख सकते हो. फ्लॉपी डिस्क होती थी पहले जब कंप्यूटर की स्टोरेज मेमोरी में. अभी तो हम लोग बहुत सारा टेराबाइट तक स्टोर कर सकते हैं. बट हियर व्हाट हैपेंस, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट फ्लॉपी, तो कुछ एमबी की स्टोरेज होती थी, तो उसके लिए एक छोटी सी डिस्क होती थी, उसको हम फ्लॉपी डिस्क बोलते थे. ओके, सो ये सब, इन सब के अंदर इवन जो आपका डेबिट कार्ड या क्रेडिट कार्ड होता है उसके ऊपर आप देखेंगे एक ब्लैक स्ट्रिप प्रेजेंट होती है. दैट इज ऑफ मैग्नेटिक. That is also having the magnetism in it and also works upon the principle of magnetic field. Okay, so next is the most of the things, they have magnets present inside them. तो इनके अंदर क्या होगा, magnets they are used in making generators, electric motors, and even magnetic resonance imaging, that is MRI, is going to be a technique which is going to scan the body organs, body parts in the hospitals, and it uses for its working. Now after that we will be studying, so these were some of the properties of the magnet, and children I'll be telling you some more properties of the magnetic field lines just after this. So we saw that there are two poles, and the poles exist they always exist independently. Why I'm saying that? If you break the pieces of the magnets, each and every magnetic piece is going to gain these two poles again. ठीक है, चाहे आप कितने भी उसके छोटे छोटे पीसेस कर दीजिए मैग्नेट के, ईच एंड एवरी पीस ऑफ अ मैग्नेट विल हैव two poles, and that would be north and south. How they are being generated? It is because of the influence of the Earth's magnetic field. So children, this was about the magnet. I will be telling you the next topic, that is magnetic field. Okay, you can remember that like poles of the magnets, that is south, north, they are going to repel each other, whereas the unlike poles, that could be two different types of poles, that is south pole and the north pole, or the north and the south pole, they would be attracting towards each other. Okay, they would be attracting towards each other. So here we will be studying about magnetic field. Magnetic field. Okay, this is about magnetic field. Just as an electric charge creates an electric field, in the similar manner, magnets also creates magnetic field around it. The space surrounding a magnet till where the magnetic force is being exerted is said to be as magnetic field. So what is a magnetic field? Magnetic field is the space surrounding, it is the space surrounding surrounding the magnet in the magnetic field, which is going to surround the magnet in which the magnetic force is experienced, magnetic force is exerted or experienced, is known as magnetic field. Okay, this is known as magnetic field. So magnetic field का मतलब क्या है? अगर आप एक नॉर्थ और साउथ पोल फेसिंग एक बार मैग्नेट हम ले लेंगे, दिस इज नोन एज बार मैग्नेट. ओके, अब अगर ये हम बार मैग्नेट का यूज करते हैं और इसके सराउंडिंग में जितनी दूर तक पूरा मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस हमको दिखाई पड़ेगा, सो दिस इज सेड टू बी एज मैग्नेटिक. इतना दूर तक आप देख रहे हैं कि मैग्नेटिक फोर्स, अट्रैक्शन का मैग्नेटिक फोर्स आपको एक्सपीरियंस हो रहा है. सो दिस इज सेड टू बी एज मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. एक किसी भी मैग्नेट के चारों ओर जितनी दूर तक फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन एक्सपीरियंस कर सकता है कोई ऑब्जेक्ट, दैट इज सेड टू बी एज द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड। तो कितना भी सराउंडिंग, कितनी भी दूर तक का ये एरिया हो सकता है। ओके, स्ट्रॉन्ग बड़ा मैग्नेट है तो उसका एरिया भी ज्यादा हो जाएगा मैग्नेटिक फोर्स को अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए। ओके, ऑब्जेक्ट्स को अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए उसका जो फील्ड हो जाएगा दैट वुड बी अ लार्जर फील्ड। सो इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द साइज एंड द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द मैग्नेट। तो जितनी दूर तक ये इसकी स्ट्रेंथ फील कर सकता है मैग्नेटिक फोर्स की कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट, इसी एरिया को हम क्या कहते हैं, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड। सो वी सॉ दैट whenever the magnetic effect is being seen, till where that effect is being seen, that is said to be as the magnetic field। जितना फील्ड का मतलब एक एरिया है, कहाँ तक का एरिया, जहां तक ये मैग्नेट अपना फोर्स, मैग्नेटिक फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर कर सकता है। मतलब कि कोई ऑब्जेक्ट इसका मैग्नेटिक फोर्स अट्रैक्शन फील कर सकता है, that is known as a magnetic field। Okay, now a magnetic compass, if you are going to put a magnetic needle, if compass needle is being placed near a magnet, it gets deflected due to the magnetic force exerted by any kind of a magnet. So the iron nails also cling to the magnet due to the magnetic force. The magnetic field patterns due to the bar magnet is shown, as you can see I have drawn also, I'll draw it more clearly and you can easily understand। कैसे अब आप ये मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस को, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को देखेंगे। तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को देखने के लिए एक ऑब्जेक्ट, दिस इज नोन एज मैग्नेटिक कंपास, एंड दिस मैग्नेटिक कंपास इज अ स्मॉल सर्कुलर डिवाइस which contains a needle inside। okay, इसके पास यहाँ पर एक नीडल होती है इस तरह से। okay, both the arrow facing, and here the directions are written, the numberings are there, directions are written। okay, now when we can see, when this compass is placed near to the bar magnet, this needle is going to show the deflection, क्योंकि ये needle जो होती है that is made up of the, that is also a small magnet is being placed। अब जैसे ही like poles हैं, like poles के पास, बार मैग्नेट के पास ये मैग्नेटिक नीडल पहुंचेगी, it is going to show the deflection, just because of the deflection, and we will plot a graph, or we can draw a line which shows its field। ठीक है, मान लो एक ये बार मैग्नेट है, इस बार मैग्नेट के पास आप जैसे जैसे कंपास लेकर के आएंगे, you will draw a loop like this। okay, similarly you will draw here, you can see that till where, जितनी दूर तक ये मैग्नेटिक नीडल लेकर के रखेंगे आप कंपास की, जहां जहां ये डिफ्लेक्शन शो कर रहा है, this is going to tell you about the magnetic field। okay, this tells you about the magnetic field। this tells you about the magnetic field। so if you will get when you are going to plot the magnetic field, you will get somewhat like this structure। okay, so this is known as about the till here, till this extent, सराउंडिंग में इतनी दूर तक, till this extent, till this surrounding, magnetic force is being experienced। magnetic force is being experienced। okay, this is being experienced। so if this is being experienced till here, तो इतनी दूर को हम क्या कहेंगे, these are the magnetic field। magnetic field, this is known as magnetic field। और ये जो lines हम draw कर रहे हैं, which is coming out from this north, and this is going, it tends to, it looks like that it is forming, coming out from north to south, or it is running from north to south in a very typical manner, in a very typical fashion। so this is known as magnetic field lines। so children, please understand what is a magnetic field। magnetic field means it is an area till where any iron object, it is going to experience the magnetic force of attraction. Okay, if it is experiencing any kind of the magnetic force of attraction, that is said to be as magnetic field. Okay, and this magnetic field is going to be depicted, it is going to be explained by drawing certain lines, and this line is known as the magnetic field lines. These are known as magnetic field lines. So these are known as magnetic field lines. Please understand. क्या मतलब है ये? यहाँ से यहाँ तक अगर आपको ऐसे क्लोज्ड कर्व्ड के फॉर्म में बहुत सारे लाइंस मिल रही हैं, इन लाइंस को हम क्या कहते हैं? मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस. Okay, so I think now this might be clear. The direction of the magnetic field is just as a force which is it is hypothetical. मतलब ऐसा force experience हम मान लेते हैं कि कहाँ से कहाँ है, नॉर्थ से साउथ की तरफ मूव करता हुआ नजर आता है. Okay, so it is rising from the north and moving towards the south. Okay, next, what is it? We will study about the magnetic field lines. I'll not wrap this diagram, I'll just change the topic, that is the magnetic field lines. कैसे हमने ये मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस ड्रॉ करेंगे? विद द हेल्प ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक कंपास. आपको मैंने बताया कि एक छोटा सा कंपास है जिसको आपको एक पोल से स्टार्ट करना है. यू विल सी दैट यू विल फॉर्म दीज टाइप्स ऑफ लाइंस ओनली. कोई और शेप हमें नहीं मिलता है. We'll go on to the next topic, that is magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines. A magnetic field is being drawn. When we describe a magnetic field, we have to draw the lines, and while a small north magnetic pole is placed in the magnetic field created by a magnet, it will experience a force. If the north pole is free, it will move under the influence of magnetic field. The path traced by the north magnetic pole is free to move under the influence of the magnetic field, and this is known as magnetic field line. Other words, we will say that the magnetic field lines are the lines which are drawn in the magnetic field along with the north magnetic pole would move towards. So what are magnetic field lines? These are the lines drawn to show the extent of magnetic field. To show the extent of magnetic field, जैसे भी मैंने यहाँ पे ड्रॉ किया. It is going to show you the extent of magnetic field. तो magnetic field यहाँ से यहाँ तक है. इसको बताने के लिए आपको जो lines draw करनी है, वो चाहे आप किसी भी form में draw करिए. So this is known as magnetic field lines. So these lines are known as magnetic field lines, and these lines will tell you till where the magnetic force could be experienced. अब ये स्क्वायर रेक्टेंगल के फॉर्म में नहीं मिलेगी. दिस इज ऑलवेज बीइंग शोन इन दिस मैनर इटसेल्फ. नाउ हाउ दीज लाइन्स आर बीइंग ड्रॉन? वी विल ड्रॉ दीज लाइन्स यूजिंग द मैग्नेटिक कंपास. एंड जस्ट नाउ अभी मैंने बताया कि मैग्नेटिक कंपास का कैसे हम यूज करेंगे. एक मैग्नेटिक कंपास को ला करके हम किसी भी पोल के पास रख देंगे, चाहे साउथ से स्टार्ट करिए चाहे नॉर्थ से स्टार्ट करिए, यू विल गेट द सेम रिजल्ट. Okay, but we say that the direction of this magnetic field is always from north to south, which is outside the bar magnet. Okay, so these magnetic field lines could follow certain patterns also. Now inside the bar magnet, the direction of the magnetic field is always from south to north. अब क्या डायरेक्शन हम मानते हैं इस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस का? The direction of magnetic field lines is from north to south. Okay, generally it is said that it is from north to south. It is always starting from north, ending in south, coming out from north, ending in south. Okay, and next, okay, it starts from north and it ends in south, and this is outside. is outside a bar magnet. Now, if you talk about the field lines inside the bar magnet, direction of magnetic field lines inside the bar magnet is from south to north. This is from south to north. So this is from the north to south outside the bar magnet, and inside the bar magnet it is from south to north. Okay, so this was about the magnetic field lines. Now you can draw the lines using magnetic compass, and you can we have also done this experiment even, and then we can plot this on a piece of paper. You will be able to see using, even these lines could be seen using the iron fillings and the bar magnet. Okay, तो आयरन फिलिंग्स के साथ हम कैसे एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकते हैं? अगर आप ये मैग्नेटिक कंपास के साथ ड्रॉ करेंगे तो आपको बिल्कुल सेम यही पैटर्न मिलेगा. अगर पैटर्न देखना है तो आप सिंपल सा एक एक्सपेरिमेंट वी कैन डू इट, दैट विल टेक अ स्मॉल मैग्नेट एंड ड्रॉ दिस. ओके, अब क्या करेंगे? वी विल पुट अ बार मैग्नेट. नाउ वी विल स्प्रिंकल द आयरन फिलिंग्स. ऐसे हाफाजिट वे में हम स्प्रिंकल कर देंगे आयरन फिलिंग्स को. ठीक है, अब क्या करेंगे? विल टैप द कार्डबोर्ड. विल टेक अ कार्डबोर्ड, विल पुट वन आयरन वी विल पुट वन बार मैग्नेट इन द सेंटर एंड विल स्प्रिंकल द आयरन फिलिंग्स. नाउ वंस वी स्प्रिंकल द आयरन फिलिंग्स इट वुड बी हाफाजिट वे. अब आयरन फिलिंग्स हैं तो इट इज बट ऑब्वियस दैट इट वुड बी अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स द बार मैग्नेट. ओके, विल टैप द पेपर जेंटली. As we are tapping the paper, we will be seeing that the similar pattern is being obtained when the iron fillings arrange themselves. Okay, we can see the very fine pattern of lines, but that would also be in this manner itself. So the lines which is always forming, अभी यहाँ से incomplete भी दिखाई देगा आपको, because this tends to come out from the north and it moves towards the south. क्योंकि आपने जो कंपास लिया था वो हमने कहाँ से स्टार्ट किया है? मैग्नेटिक कंपास को नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन से साउथ डायरेक्शन की तरफ. ओके, सो वी कैन यूज दिस. A force of magnetic field on a bar magnet makes the iron fillings to arrange themselves in a particular direction, in a particular pattern, in the shape of the magnetic field which is being produced by a bar magnet. Okay, now the force of magnetic field of the bar magnet makes the iron fillings to arrange themselves in a particular pattern. Actually, under the influence of a magnetic field, the bar magnet and the iron fillings behaves like a tiny magnet, and each of them will always each iron filling is going to work as the bar magnet. Okay, अब क्या करेगा? वो डायरेक्शन एक पूरा क्लोज्ड लूप के फॉर्म में डायरेक्शन में आ जाएगा, और फिर हम देखेंगे कि बिल्कुल सिमिलर पैटर्न दिखाई दे रहा है जैसा मैंने यहाँ पे ड्रॉ किया है. ओके, so this was about the magnetic field lines, children. And in this magnetic field lines, what happens? A compass is also being used, which consists of a tiny pivoted needle just as a pointer. Even a non-magnetic metal case के साथ इसको बंद कर दिया जाता है, ताकि अगर मैग्नेटिक केस रहेगा या कोई लोहे का केस रहेगा जिसके अंदर ये मैग्नेटिक नीडल होगी तो क्या होगा? डिफ्लेक्शन अलग तरीके से दिखाई पड़ेगा. ओके, the end of the magnetic needle is approximately pointing towards north and the other end towards the south direction. Actually, the tip of the compass needle always show north direction, whereas the tail always shows the south direction. अब ये नॉर्थ साउथ क्यों है, इसका जवाब आपको थोड़ी देर के बाद मिलेगा जब हम इस चैप्टर में आगे बढ़ेंगे. ओके, so we can plot the pattern of such मैग्नेटिक फील्ड यूजिंग मैग्नेटिक कंपास. दैट इज वाई. ठीक है, तो आप छोटा सा मैग्नेटिक कंपास से आप ऐसे फील्ड लाइंस ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, एंड यू कैन इजीली सी द पैटर्न एंड वी कैन रिकॉग्नाइज दैट इट ऑलवेज स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम नॉर्थ. इट टेंड्स टू स्टार्ट, बट दिस इज हाइपोथेटिकल. आउटसाइड इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू साउथ एंड इनसाइड इट इज फ्रॉम साउथ टू नॉर्थ. अगर आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है कि व्हाट इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, सो यू विल ऑलवेज राइट फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू साउथ, ओके, क्योंकि आप मैग्नेट के अंदर जाके नहीं देख रहे हैं, आप बाहर से देखेंगे तो मैग्नेटिक जो फील्ड होगा वो कहाँ से कहाँ स्टार्ट करेगा, फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू साउथ डायरेक्शन में ये लाइंस मूव करती दिखाई पड़ेंगी. अब कुछ और इसके प्रॉपर्टीज हैं लाइंस की, वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग देम इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास चिल्ड्रन. ओके, सो विद दिस आई थिंक टुडे वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, magnetic field lines. What is a magnet? A magnet is a small instrument which is always being used for making which helps in attracting the substances like objects like iron, steel, nickel and cobalt. Okay, so with this I am packing up this video. I'll be meeting you all in the next class with the next topic to be discussed. So that's all for today's video.